Hello, this is Dave Huckins with Hometown Mortgage, and we're here with Bernie Chatterton from Real Estate Center to talk about VA loans. So, Bernie, what do you want to talk about?
Well, Dave, what is the best way to refinance a veteran's loan?
By far, the best way to do VA is to do what's called an interest rate reduction refinance loan. It's a refinance with no appraisal fee.
Well, that sounds really good.
It's awesome because there is no application fee, no origination fee, no extra testing. Basically, you are approved as long as you've made your payment for at least the last 12 months.
And are there income requirements or anything like that?
No, there's actually no income verification. Really what the Veterans Administration cares about is that you're making your monthly payment on time.
I'm just going crazy. People are asking me about this loan.
So it really is it is easy because there is no appraisal, but there are some requirements.
Can you say what are the requirements?
The requirements are that you have a break-even point. So they're within a 36-month period. So, people say, well, what is a break-even point? Basically, the break-even point is what are you going to save per month, and what's it going to cost you to do this loan?
All right, I see. So, is there anything that these people, is there an amount that they can borrow up to? Does it not go over a certain amount?
Well, you could actually, there are some closing costs involved, like standard mortgage tax, title insurance, but that's actually rolled into the loan. So let's say you're saving $200 a month, but the closing costs we're going to roll into the loan is $4,000. So your break-even point in that case would be 20 months. So in that case, you'd be approved because you're going to save $200 a month. You break even in 20 months. So as long as you keep the house for 20 months, the whole rest of the time, you're just saving $200 a month. It's that easy.
Well, that sounds great, but what about the minimum amount that they can borrow, and is there a maximum amount that they can borrow?
Well, the VA does have some restrictions, but we help you calculate that. If you have a VA loan now, you're going to be, you will be approved again, and we are licensed in New York State and Texas.
So you'd be able to help somebody in Texas as well?
Yes, we were originally based out of Midlothian, Texas, which is near Dallas, but we also write loans in Austin, San Antonio, Houston, all over the state of Texas. We're writing VA refinance loans.
What is this worksheet like?
If you're,
seems complicated.
That's where we come in. It does get a little bit complicated, but that's what we handle here for you at HomeloanHQ. So basically, all you need to do is go to HomeloanHQ, log in, fill out our 5-step application. It doesn't cost anything to apply. We can tell you how much you're going to save per month, and your interest rate's going to go down, and your monthly payment's going to go down, and there is no appraisal. And we can do it in Austin, Dallas, San Antonio, all over the state of Texas, also in New York, Albany, Syracuse, Buffalo, Utica, all over upstate New York, and also Long Island and down near the city. So anything VA, we can cover it in New York or Texas. Give us a call, go to our email, go to our website, HomeloanHQ.com. And it's a great program. Not a lot of people know how to do it, but we know how to walk you through the paperwork.
Now, Dave, I've been looking through the portal, and it's the Certified Military Housing Portal. Can you tell me what that's like?
There's some continuing education that we have to take, and one of the courses that we like to take is the Certified Military Housing Specialist Registration. So it's continuing education we do every year. It just basically ensures that we know how to direct veterans on how to get their benefits. So if you need to get a new eligibility certificate, or let's say you have a spouse who passes away and you need
What is an eligibility certificate?
Well, it's basically that you've completed your counseling, that you've completed
counseling.
Yes.
I have to go to a counselor?
No, you don't. We do. We're the ones that are walking you through the process. So it basically tells you that the loan officers, Gerald Austin, Dave Huckins at HomeloanHQ.com, that we've gone through the counseling to help the veteran get what's coming to them.
Oh, so you're like specially trained.
Yes, we're specially trained through the U.S. CARES program.
What is the certificate of eligibility?
Certificate of eligibility is something that now we can get through the VA portal. Basically just says that you're eligible for a VA loan. You're going to qualify for the VA insurance.
So if I were to get this loan, it would be in my name, the certificate of eligibility?
Yes, you or your spouse. So, if you, you have to be married to be on the VA loan. It's not for non-married borrowers. So it's either the veteran and a spouse.
Oh, so it couldn't be like my dad's a veteran and I couldn't get a VA loan because he's a veteran?
No, it has to be the veteran and a spouse.
Okay, so if I were a veteran and my spouse, then we could get a loan.
You could get a loan together.
Okay, all right.
So rates are low right now. It's a great time to refinance. It's also a great time to purchase, and that's where you come in, purchasing here in the Capital District area. And, if you need help with a VA loan and you need to know how to roll the closing costs into the deal, that's where you come in.
Yeah, well, this is helpful in learning on how to do this. I'm sure it'll help a lot of other real estate agents in figuring out how to do this type of loans, because the VA loan is a really good loan for.
It's a great program. There's no down payment. You can roll the closing cost in. The Veterans Administration wants veterans to be purchasing and refinancing homes, and they want to make it as easy as possible.
Now, do banks do veterans loans, or is it just
some banks do? Some banks do. It is kind of a special niche. The VA administration just insures the loan against foreclosure, and they charge a VA funding fee. If you're a disabled veteran, you don't pay that VA funding fee.
I got it. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, Dave. This sounds like a great program, and I think that, a lot of people, they don't know about it, so it'd be great getting these people interested in it. And,
absolutely. I love VA loans. Give us a call. Go to our website. The quickest way to get started is fill out the 5-step application at HomeloanHQ.com.